Alright guys, how y'all doing? Well, y'all wanted to see this baby right here. Y'all wanted to see me talking about her more, showing her more, getting more involved. So we'll try something different. Got her fully rebuilt by a buddy of mine. So the time of the wreck, she was stocked. Currently now, like, as she sits, she's a full bolt-on, stage 2 S1000. Here she is. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all want to be talking about, what y'all want to see me talking about. I'll get more POVs. Till then, deuces. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.